Prevent destroy adds a lifecycle rule to a resource block. That rule causes Terraform to fail the plan if the proposed actions include destroying that resource. Terraform evaluates prevent destroy during planning because the plan is where destroy actions are decided. If the diff implies delete, Terraform raises an error instead of producing an executable plan. A replacement is a destroy followed by a create because Terraform must retire the old instance to adopt the new identity. Prevent destroy blocks replacements because replacements contain an implied destroy action. Changing a ForceNew attribute changes identity from Terraform's perspective. That identity change produces a replacement, which produces a destroy, which trips prevent destroy. If a protected resource is planned for destroy, the plan fails before downstream resources can be evaluated as safe or unsafe. That failure is intentional because Terraform treats a block destroy as a hard stop rather than a partial approval. On a submarine, critical valves have mechanical interlocks because a single wrong turn can flood a compartment. Prevent destroy is that interlock because it converts a high consequence mistake into a stopped operation. Terraform cannot destroy a protected resource unless you change the configuration that enforces the protection. The practical workflow is to temporarily set prevent destroy equals false, apply the destroy, then restore the protection for future plans. Prevent destroy blocks only destroy actions, not in-place updates. If the provider can update the remote object without replacing it, Terraform can still apply those changes. Use prevent destroy on resources that functions as anchors for identity, security, or recovery. Avoid using it as a blanket default because it can block legitimate refactors that require replacement.